How to get Discord Nitro features for free. First, install Vencord. Click the link in the description, download the installer, open it, choose Stable, then click Install. Once it's installed, open Discord, go to Settings, and open the Plugins tab. Search for Fake and enable every plugin that appears. Then click Restart. That's it. You can now send animated emojis and custom emojis from other servers without Nitro. You'll also get Nitro themes and several other features. Now let's unlock profile gradients. Go back to the Plugins tab, then search 3y3, enable it, and restart Discord again. You can now create custom profile gradients. To make a custom gradient, open Discord 3y3 generator, create the gradient you want, and copy the generated 3y3 code. Then go to Edit Profile, paste the invisible code into your bio, and save your profile. Your profile will now have the custom gradient. Profile gradient is visible to other people. The other Nitro features, like emojis and themes, actually work. If you have any questions or need help, join my Discord server. I have full guides and support there. Also, check out Falcon Line. It's a free AI bot that builds complete Discord servers in seconds. Just describe the server you want, and it'll create the channels, roles, embeds, permissions, and more automatically. See you in the next video.